That's what this course is kind of designed for, you to do all the work up front, which is a lot. It's a lot. People are going to realize how difficult it is being an ads manager when they complete this course, because they're going to see how much you have to actually pay attention. It's always changing, you know what I mean? Realizing that's the whole purpose of this course. So that way you have a bigger respect for people that manage your ads, and you know what to look for, so that way an ads manager never takes advantage of you. Because I've heard time and time again, people hire these agencies that have all the accolades, and they go into an account and it's just trash, you know what I mean? And they be telling the client the typical, because this is a true thing. If somebody tells you there's not enough data, it needs more time, you need to spend more, that's a fact. But they're not explaining and breaking it down for you, right? This whole course is not only designed to help you execute on your own, but when it's time for this part, outsourcing, you know when you hire somebody in a month if they're adequate for the job.